What's up, everyone? Today we're opening Upper Deck 2022-23 Hockey Series 1. This is a retail mega box featuring 8 cards per pack and 11 total packs per box. Box says collect 2 Young Guns rookie cards per box on average. Get 1 2022-23 rookie class bonus pack per box. I believe those are the die cut rookies. Also get 1 exclusive Red Rainbow honor roll card per box on average. Collect stunning blue and pink Dazzlers cards. The Dazzlers cards do look really nice. I think the pink are a lot harder to pull than the blue out of these boxes. I also really like the freestyle inserts that are in here. I was looking at the odds on the side of the box, and it does say that the blue freestyles are in these retail boxes. 1 out of every 240 packs on average. So be cool if we could find one. Let's see what we got. All right. So packs are kind of jumbled around in here. Yeah, there's the bonus rookie pack. We'll start opening these, see what we got. Ryan Hartman. Michael Matheson. Frederick Anderson. Jack Roslovich. There's our Red Rainbow honor roll. Very cool. Elvis to close out pack 1. Series 1 checklist card. Pretty cool. Tyler Myers. Our first Young Guns. Zach Hayes. First Young Guns hit. Charlie Coyle. Another checklist card. Jason Robertson on that one. JT Miller. And Frederick Gaudreau. Pack number 3. Anthony Cirelli. Artem Zub. Sean Curley. Daniel Sprong. Defense Mechanism. Morgan Riley, insert. Tim Stützle. Boone Jenner. and Jamie. Justin Falk, Joel Erickson, Mario Ferraro, UD Canvas, Moritz for the Red Wings, Brandon Tanev, Jonas, Jonathan Dallin, and Robin. Rasmus, Alexander Barkov, Kale, Jason Robertson, UD Portraits. Very cool. Oscar, Yamamoto, and Cole Caulfield base card. Pretty cool, Cole. Barclay. Couple of inserts so far. One Young Guns. Gabriel. Braden Point. Miro. TJ Oshie. Second Young Guns hit. Dylan Sandberg. So there's our other Young Guns for the box. Yanni. Anthony Mantha. And Pavel. Joel Armia, David Pastrnak, Dylan Strome, Center of Attention, JT Miller insert. Cool looking card. Jake Allen, Brad Marchand, Connor Murphy, Mike Hoffman. 3 packs left. Jacob Markstrom, Yegor, Jacob Vrana, Jacob Markstrom, Honor Roll, Damon, Pius Suter, Eric Johnson, Alex Killorn. Chris Kreider, Alexander Wenberg, Nathan Bastian, Dennis, debut dates, Mason McTavish, Saros, all right, on to the last of the regular packs here, and then we can get into the rookie pack. Matthias, Jeff Carter, Johnny Gaudreau, Carter, third Young Guns hit, Noah Cates. Very cool. So it said that the Young Guns were 2 per box on average, and we ended up hitting 3. Very nice. Owen Tippett, Rasmus, Mason Marchment. Right, and then the rookie class pack. I believe these are the die cuts. No, they are not die cut. Let's see what we got. Ben Myers, Nathan Smith, and Nick Blankenberg for the Blue Jackets. All right. So we've got Noah Cates Young Gun. Couple of cool inserts here. Dylan Sandberg Young Guns. UD Canvas. And Zach Hayes Young Guns. All right, that does it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.